If you're a Lego enthusiast, like I am, you'll know that Brickit has tons of awesome features. However, they also offer two packages. They offer a Pro package as well as a free package. Today I'm going to go through both of those packages and show you which one you should be using and which one is more worth the money that you're paying for. So, let's climb straight in. Now the first thing we're going to do is jump into the Brickit Pro Features, and it has advanced building instructions. It provides step-by-step building instructions for a wider range of models, of course making it easier for you to create more complex designs. It also has unlimited access to all of its models. With this Pro version, you do get that entire library of models, which means you can build as many creations as you'd like without any restrictions. Also, there's something called an augmented reality support. The Pro version features this, and basically it allows you to visualize your build in real time, which gives you sort of a better sense of scale and design before you actually start with your design. Also, you can create and save your own custom models, allowing for greater creativity, and you're also able to then personalize your builds. Also, you get priority support with the help desk, with the support team, with any issues or questions you may have for the application. Now, if that's not for you and you're just looking for the free package, you can expect also fantastic building instructions, but they are a little bit more basic. It offers just a different selection of basic building instructions, which is, I think, better for beginners looking to learn how to use the app and also learn how to build. You also get access to limited number of models, which of course still provides a lot of fun, and it could leave you wanting more, but I think as a beginner, again, it's fantastic. The app was also designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate through, making it super accessible for all ages. Also, the free package does include community features where you can actually share your builds and you can get inspiration from others. Absolutely love it. One or two of the disadvantages for the Pro package is that the subscription cost can be a bit of a barrier, especially if you're not sure how often you're going to use it. And also, some of the advanced features can be a little bit overwhelming. So if you're just starting out, maybe you want to try the free package. The free package, however, also has one or two disadvantages. The little bit of a limited access to the models can be a little bit frustrating if you want a little bit more. And also, if you want access to the AR features, which can enhance your building experience quite significantly, this will also be limited. So we see that Brickit does have tons of features, both in the free package as well as the Pro package. The thing is to go through each one of them and see which one fits your needs best and your particular preferences. If this video was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.